Give me just 2 minutes and I will show you exactly step by step how to create a profitable Facebook ad for your high ticket coaching. As always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell so you can get notified every time a new video goes live. So first things first, before we get into this, if we're gonna try and get high ticket clients using Facebook ads, we need to do this strategically. So the first thing that you need to know is that you need to promote your Facebook ads to one of 3 things: an automated funnel, so like a free training of some kind that's already automated, a 3 to 5 day challenge where you push them to a Facebook group and you just go live for those 3 to 5 days, or a live webinar of some kind. So once you have one of those 3, what you could do is you could push those Facebook ads to one of those 3. So let me go ahead and show you the ads manager, and we're gonna do this very quickly. So that's it. You've created your ad and you are off to go. Make sure to keep watching those stats. You want to stay below about $6 per lead. And that's it. You're all done. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.